Hi my plain Janes and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do some press-on toenails. It's going to be some French toenails. This has been an Etsy favorite that I've noticed on my shop, so I just decided to show you guys how I'm doing it. Do not mind my missing fingernails. It is time for them to come off. I will be soaking off the rest of them really soon, so yeah, just excuse the missing fingers. Anyway, so we're gonna go in here with our Macart top coat. That gel polish we are not gonna be using. We're actually gonna be using Sunbow, I believe A002, and that is a shade darker of a pink. The base coat will be from Beetles and Gayo 1312 with that milky white, and our Beetles white striper. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Don't mind that. Don't mind that. So we are going to go in and buff up that shine. We're going to start our prep work. So after we buff this off with our electric filer, we're going to use our nail buffer to smooth out that foundation, and then we're going to add our primer, which is by Model 1 as well, and then our base coat. And you know, we're going to cure our base coat for 60 seconds and then add our color. And like I mentioned earlier, this has been a favorite on my Etsy shop. If you guys like the results, you can check it out on my Etsy shop. The link will be in the description box below. But I also want to add that I will be not making some changes to the channel, but adding different content on the channel. I am going to try to start vlogging. Please don't judge these vlogs, okay? I feel like I suck at it, but we're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna try to post those every Saturday, but that's just a few changes that's going to be going on with the channel as well. I do want to do a mini series, if you will. I won't even call it a series, but just like a couple of videos with French tips and different type of French tips, because these are, again, French toenail press-ons. So, and these are very thin lines. I know a lot of people might like them thicker. I can do them thick or thin. I just decided to do these thin, and then they just were favorited on Etsy, so I just decided to show you guys how I do them. And they're fairly simple. You can do these at home if you would like, but they are fairly simple to do. And then if I get time today, I might do another video of either a matching set or just different type of French lines on regular press-on nails or toenails. But let me know what you guys think of that in the comments below. If you would like to see more content of French lines or small lines, Frenchies, whatever you want to call them, those things. If you would like to see more of that, just let me know in the comments. But other than that, we're going to go in with, yes, our Sunbow A002 color, and I use 2 coats of this, and I cure for 60 seconds for the first and cure for 60 seconds for the second coat. And then after that, we are going to be applying our French line. Now we're going to go in with that Beetle's white striper and create that line. So again, they're not thick lines, they are thin. You're just going to line the bottom of that toenail, the press-on toenail, with the striper and get the corners. And that's about it. Like I said, it's fairly easy. There's nothing to this at all. I guess if you're not used to doing lines or working with a striper, it might take some practice, but practice makes progress, and in time you will get it. But I don't think this should be that difficult. But again, everybody's different. So yeah, try it out and see if you like that method of doing it. And then after I apply that white striper, I'm going to go in with our milky white. So the pink is going to change a shade a little bit, but it's going to give that French manicure look, or that glossy French manicure look. After the top coat is applied, it's all going to come together. It's all going to melt together, because we like to melt things together, and you guys will see at the end of the video. So I'm going to hush now and you guys can watch the rest. And this is the final look, guys. Again, look how everything melts together with that Gayo Milky White. It just transformed these toenails into Frenchies, just like that. And then the top coat was the chef kiss on the cake. The icing on the cake. I tried to put two puns together. It did not work. Don't judge me. Anyway, so again, let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. If you like to shop this look, you can visit my Etsy shop, and the link is below in the description box. And until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.